Hey, my name is Nikki. In today's video I'm gonna show you how you can easily paint a mistletoe with watercolors. I am using my mixed media sketch pad, my Craftimo round brushes in size 3 and 6, and my Schminke watercolors, which I reactivate with a spray bottle. I also have 2 glasses of clean water and a paper towel to drip off my brush. Okay, here we go. I have already some green paint on my palette which I want to use. It's a mix of olive green, permanent green and May green. I add a bit more of permanent green to my mixture because I want it to be a nice dark green. Then I water it down because I want to start with a lighter layer in the back and get darker in front of the painting. Then I start with the first branch. Just a small line, and then I add this typical mistletoe leaves. I have noticed here that the color is a bit too dark, so I add a bit more water to the paint mixture. I paint some of the leaves a bit messy with a bit of white space in between, so you don't need to be super precise here. Right away, I paint the next branch. Just paint over the other leaves. Then another branch on the right side. And then I use the same green color, but a more opaque version, and paint another branch over the left one. Then another one on the right side. And finally, another branch in the center. Then I paint a second time over a few leaves to make them darker. I rinse my brush and use my heat gun to let everything dry faster. With a mix of cadmium red and carmine, I paint in the bow on top that holds the branches together. And what would a mistletoe be without its white berries? So I add some with white gouache. I add a few clusters of 2 or 3 berries here and there. The white Schminke Academy gouache is a bit more transparent than other white gouaches, so I have to go over my berries a second time. If everything has dried, I take some Payne's Grey to add a shadow to the bottom of the berries, so that they stand out a bit more. But it's just a very transparent version of Payne's Grey. And that's it. The mistletoe painting is finished. I hope you had as much fun as I did. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel so you won't miss any of my weekly videos. Have a nice day, see you in the next video, bye bye!